All right, and we've got Tanner Stitt, who's turning 12 years old today. Happy birthday to Tanner and Iola. Love, Nana and Papa.
And Lamar Jacob Morrison, number 18. Looks like we got a archery expert who's celebrating number 18 right there. Jacob, a very happy birthday to you and Lamar.
All right. And Alexis Edwards, turning 25 years old this year in Pittsburgh, with love from Mom and Richard. Happy birthday, Alexis.
Now, everybody up at Fort Scott Middle School, if you see Miss Chaplin, or if you're in her class, more importantly, if you're in her class, you better wish her a very happy birthday. Lisa, happy 43.
All right. And Jerry Baker, turning 71 years old this year in Parsons. Hope it's a great one for you, Jerry.
Run out to Erie, where Donna McCoy is celebrating her 73rd birthday. Have a great day, Donna.
And Vincel Burke. Love the hat there, Vincel. Celebrating another year wiser.
This is a good hat. I like that. Joyce Stapleton. She is celebrating in Chetopa. Miss Joyce, I want you to have a marvelous day and a wonderful birthday.
All right. And Brenda Reed, celebrating a birthday in Chetopa. We head out to Girard, where Madrian Herlocker is turning 89 years old this year. And it's time to celebrate with Susan Conway in Miami.
In Columbus, Brian Reed, he is celebrating his 44th. A happy birthday to Brian. And an anniversary on our board as Pat and Susan Ellis. They celebrate 31 years. Congratulations to the Ellises in Humboldt. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.